You guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button. And if you've been rocking with me, thank you so much for your love and support. So you guys, I know I have not worn this style that long, but my scalp has been itching me something crazy, and I'm just kind of like, maybe it needs to breathe. I'm about to go ahead and take these out, and yeah, I'll be back. So before I start to take these loose, I want to tell you, I really want to show y'all the real spill under those first couple, or the perimeter. So what I was going for was, me and my mom and my sister-in-law did my hair, right? Boom. And this head really was a mess. Okay, like the head was a mess. Now first I was supposed to just get braids, right? Okay, big braid, like I wanted big braids. Well, I'm just like, I want some braids for about a month. That's what it was, about a month. And I decided to wrap them after I saw that the braids looked like this. Okay, who finna walk around with the hair just poking like that? So honey, when I saw that, I was like, what? I'm not what, y'all? I took game not there yet, and that is okay. Not with like big braids, you know what I'm saying? I took game like that, and I was okay with it. So I had started wrapping them. And if you have ever had fox locks, you know they hurt so bad. Why fox locks gotta hurt? Y'all, fox locks hurt. So if you think you finna get some, well, big ones, I say that. All the ones that I've had was either medium or big. But yeah, like they all hurt. And these hurts seem like worse than, I don't know. But I knew I wasn't gonna wear them that long. But once my head started itching bad, I knew it was over with. But I just wanted to show y'all how these things looked up under there. Like, that is terrible, right? Ooh, but yeah. My hair is out and I can scratch it out, please. Oh, this, I was ready for this, but y'all, like, am I tripping or has my hair grown? Like, y'all, my hair is growing. So now, of course, I'm gonna just comb my hair out, and I'm going to wash it after this. And since I did have that in my head for a couple weeks, I am going to do a deep condition. And I have, it's not right here with me right now, but I have this new mask that I'm gonna do on my hair. It's by Aunt Jackie's, and I do have what her other product is, the Don't Shrink, the curling gel. I love that gel. I love that gel. So hopefully this mask is just as amazing at what it does as the curling gel. I have my bottle. This is the Wild Growth bottle. It does have a little bit at the bottom. I do usually use Wild Growth, and I also add castor oil, black castor oil. But this time I finally got my hands on tea tree oil, so I'm gonna add that to my oil as well. So what I'm gonna do is add my black castor oil, and this one specifies that it has vitamin A, D, and E. So I'm gonna add that. And I have another bottle of this downstairs, so I'm just gonna not use all of that. I'm gonna kind of do like half. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do half, and then I'm gonna add a couple drops of my tea tree oil. And I'm gonna add one more, probably about, all right, that's enough. And then I'm just gonna shake this up, condition mask, and I am about to apply this all over my head But first, I'm gonna damp my hair. What I'm gonna do is section it off. So I do have my hair sectioned off. I'm going through this part of my hair to finish combing it through because I am now about to get ready to apply this mask. Now we're getting into this mask. I'm parting small little sections of my hair. I'm applying it from the root to the tips of my hair just to get a full coverage. And I'm going through this whole section of my hair. And if you think about it, I'm basically applying this product like you will apply a relaxer, like how you apply perm to hair. That's basically how I was applying that. Now, of course, going through and combing it through. And yes, I will of course be doing the same thing to the other sections of my hair, applying the product from root to tip and combing it through. So I'm about to go ahead and put this plastic cap over my hair. Shower cap, I don't really know what y'all call it, but I'm putting that on my hair so that it can keep the product in while I put on my bonnet, or I don't really know what this thing is called, but it's like you warm it up and you kind of keep the heat inside. I don't really know how you explain it, but that is what this is for. Look at that wrist, y'all. No cap, y'all. My hair feels so good. Like, it's so soft and my hair feels so fluffy. Like, I really love how that made my hair feel. Like, it feels really, really good. So soft, so fluffy. Okay, y'all, so now I am done. Y'all know how the shrinkage be, it's real. But I'm done. I have applied my rice water. And now I'm about to twist up my hair, but I wasn't gonna twist it up, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do big twists. And I usually don't do big twists, but I'm not trying to go for like a define look. I'm just trying to put some twists in it. Being that it's short, I don't really know how this is gonna go, but we gonna see. Is done. Oh, it just takes so long. Y'all, let me tell y'all, this is the worst twist out I've ever done. Well, you know, with this hair, look at them. Girl, what? And then I got some rugged in the back. Let me show y'all the back. And to be honest, I don't even know how that look right now. So I just wanted to twist it up any kind of way that I could, because I've never twisted this hair up, my shorter hair, in bigger twists. So yeah, I don't know how this gonna turn out, but I am gonna start doing, this is huge. I am gonna start how I did this. I do like this, I ain't never gonna cap. So I'll probably like maybe do like the front this way and then the back that way. I may do that sometimes. But ooh, it's just so thick. So the last thing that I do have to do is, y'all remember the oil that I had made up. I'm about to apply this to my hair, and then I'm gonna put a cap on, and that's it. And hopefully I can wear this twist out until like Saturday. Today is Monday. If so, I'll be in the game. And after, this smells really good. Wow. This smells amazing. Once I'm done with this, I'm just gonna massage this into my scalp, put my bonnet on, and this gonna be a red nap. Like do this. That's allowing it to get all over the hair, even on the ends. But yeah, y'all, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all let me know down below some other type of styles that I can do with this short hair. This is acting crazy. Yeah, so let me figure this out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all have a blessed day. Love y'all. Hey, hey, woo!